Hi guys, today we're going to be making a really yummy dish that my mom likes to call pepper steak, and we serve it with mashed potatoes. Once again, I know I say that every dish that, new that we make on the channel, I say that this is my favorite, but this one's actually my favorite this time, for real, I promise. It reminds me of, I don't know, it's on the same level for me as the chicken curry dish / the scallop dish, so I don't know. This one's really, really good. So you're going to start off with your meat. My mom likes to get about 2 pounds of that. And then she's going in and cutting them into thin strips and then just discarding any of the fatty pieces that are sticking out. Wear gloves so that they don't get stinky. And make sure you sharpen your knife. Once that's all cut up, you're going to place that into your pressure cooker alongside with some sea salt. My mom likes to use Himalayan salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and finally vegetable broth seasoning powder. And then you're going to coat that with some boiling water just until it reaches the top, and you're going to cover that and let it do its thing for about 25 minutes. While that's cooking, you're going to focus on your sauce. So you're going to chop up some onions as well as some colorful bell peppers. I've said this before, but I don't know whether it's my mind tricking me that they taste the same or not, but I definitely think that yellow tastes more refreshing than orange and red, but I don't know, do they actually taste different? Does that just apply to like M&Ms or something, or does it happen in natural foods too? Who knows? But anyways, you're going to add all of those onions in a pot alongside with your olive oil and let that cook for a little bit and become nice and change color. And then you're going to add in all of those bell peppers you just cut up. Oh yeah, and then make sure to cut them as well and in thin strips. This one, you don't necessarily need to cut it up in like little cubes. It's nice to have something to chew on when you're eating it. So it's not all mushy, Then you're going to go ahead and just pour all that meat that was cooking in the slow cooker right in. No worries about straining or anything, just throw it all in there. And on the side, you're going to prepare some cold water and starch so that it can thicken our sauce. And make sure that the water is cold so that the starch is able to fully dissolve and not leave any lumps left. And then you're just going to pour that straight in to your sauce that you've been making. By the way, don't keep this on high height, just keep it on low to medium and just keep an eye on it. And mix it around though so that that whole starch situation gets fully mixed in. And once that's just gonna sit on low heat, you're going to move on to the mashed potatoes. I really love the way my mom makes, or how they turn out, the mashed potatoes. And I'm not gonna lie, I end up eating more of this than the actual meat sauce. So maybe you can make the mashed potatoes by itself as well, but it's super good. So just chop up your potatoes, stick it in a pot of boiling water, and look how nicely they're able to break up. That's when you know it's ready to be taken off the heat and strained, so off the water. And then you're going to sprinkle some salt. You're gonna put some butter. You're just gonna start mashing. Straight in that pot is fine. No need to move it to another container for now. So these are just so good. I don't think mashed potatoes can go very wrong. I think potatoes in general don't really go very wrong. It's very good stuff. But once that's all nice and creamy and smooth, you're ready to plate up with the sauce, and you have your pepper steak dish all ready to eat. And that's it. We hope you guys enjoy. Happy pepper steaking. Bye bye.